Hello students, I welcome you all to the biggest online platform of India, that is Unacademy. I am Sarosh Samal. I have been mentoring the civil service aspirants over the last 2 decades. Under my guidance, more than 100 students have become IAS and IPS officers. Apart from this, more than 100 students have become OS officers in Odisha. In Unacademy, I will be taking class of Sociology optional for you. I am planning to start a new batch of Sociology on 2nd September 2021. The timing of the class is 7:30 am to 9:30 am, that is 2 hours every day. I have a plan of taking around 220 hours of classes for covering the entire syllabus of sociology prescribed by OPSC. As you know it, sociology optional of OPSC civil service exam consists of 2 papers. Paper 1 is called Fundamentals of Sociology and paper 2 is called Sociology of Indian Society. Paper 1 has 12 units and paper 2 has also 12 units. Out of the 12 units of paper 1, the unit 4 is very important, that deals with sociological thinkers. And I would like to tell you the fact that sociological thinkers constitute the essence of sociology, the true spirit of sociology. For the purpose of understanding sociology thoroughly, you should have the ability of understanding sociological thinker comprehensively. So, first I will start your syllabus by teaching the sociological thinkers, that is unit 4 of paper 1. Once sociological thinkers are completed, then I would go to unit 1, 2, 3, and as per the sequence of your syllabus I will move and I will complete paper 1. And once paper 1 is complete, then as per the sequence of the syllabus I would also cover and complete each topic of sociology paper 2. My methodology of teaching you sociology is like this. I would teach you each and every topics of your syllabus. Then I would also discuss the previous year's questions asked by OPSC. This is all about my approach of teaching you sociology. Wish you all the best. Thank you.